So good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I am going to discuss a worksheet on viscous force or viscosity. So the first question is dimension of viscosity. It is m1 L minus 1 T minus 1. Then is SI unit of viscosity, it is Poiseuille. CGS unit of viscosity, it is poise, and 1 Poiseuille is equal to 10 poise. Then viscous force is minus eta dV by dx, where eta is the coefficient of viscosity. Now there is a question, suppose that there is a ball of density d1, it is put in a liquid of density d2. Then we need to find volume of the ball, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Mass of ball, mass is dv, which is d1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then is bind force on the ball, it is d2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube g. Then is viscous force on the ball, it is 6 pi eta rv. Then is a gravitation force on the ball, it is mass into g, mass into volume into g, mass into g. So mass is d1 4 by 3 pi r cube into g. Then we need to find net force on the ball. So on the ball there are three forces: force due to gravity, viscous force, and band force. So the net force is gravity force minus viscous force minus band force. Solving this, we get this as the net force. Next is we need to find terminal speed of the ball. Terminal speed means constant speed. Direction is also constant, so velocity is constant. That means acceleration is 0. That means net force is 0. On solving this equation, we get V is equal to 2g r square by 9 eta dv minus d2. So this is expression of the terminal speed. Now is the relation between V and R. So V is proportional to R square. So the graph will be a parabola. If we draw graph between V and R square, that will be a straight line. Then is graph between E and eta. So V is proportional to 1 by eta. So the graph will be rectangular hyperbola. And that between V and 1 by eta is a straight line. Next we have two spherical balls, radii r1 r2, density d1 d2, dropped in a very light liquid. Then find first is the ratio of volumes. Volume ratio is r1 cube by r2 cube. Then ratio of masses, mass is density into volume. So ratio of masses is d1 by d2 into r1 cube by r2 cube. Next is ratio of terminal speed. So V is proportional to r square d. So v1 by v2 is r1 square d1 by r2 square d2. Next is if r1 is equal to r2, then v1 by v2 will be d1 by d2. And if d1 is equal to d2, then v1 by v2 will be r1 square by r2 square. So in this way you can find the relationship between these parameters. Thank you and have a nice day.